Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Roku step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Roku device is powered on and connected to your TV. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll down to the streaming channels option. Select the streaming channels option to access the channel store. In the channel store, scroll down to the search channels feature. Type in Paramount Plus using your remote. Once you locate the Paramount Plus channel, select it. Choose the Add Channel option to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. After the installation, return to the home screen. Scroll down to find the Paramount Plus channel and open it. When prompted, select Sign In. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, go to the Paramount Plus activation website. Enter the activation code shown on your TV. Once you've entered the code, click the Activate button. Log into your Paramount Plus account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one at this stage. After logging in, return to your Roku device. Your Paramount Plus channel will refresh, and you'll be ready to start streaming. You have successfully activated Paramount Plus on your Roku device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.